not let anyone into your home. Do not answer the door to anyone, no matter how human they sound. Recently there have been increased levels of death and injuries around Marshall City and around Richmond Lake. Stay away from these areas and get inside. These deaths have been linked to people infected with a new virus now named Shan 1. Not much is more about this virus. What we do know is that people infected with Shan 1 in the early stages show signs of pale skin, fever, lack of awareness. If you see anyone with these symptoms, run away from them as far as you can. Do not try to assist them in any way. This is for your safety. Arkansas National Guard and the sheriffs have opened up a virus detection checkpoint and evacuations are underway. The United Nations peacekeepers are on the way to help out civilians and assist in evacuations and humanitarian help. Do not approach the military, sheriffs, or UN with a gun. They will assist you if you are unarmed and clear of any illness. That is all. Stay safe and make your way to the checkpoint at the bridge or await evacuation at the medical tents in the town square. Your scheduled programming will now be played.